Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you an amazing experiment of hot water and cold water. Here you see, here we have taken a glass of water, that is cold water, and we will color it with turmeric or natural colors. You see here we are giving turmeric here and we will change this color into yellow. You see how we have changed the color of this cold water into yellow color with the natural turmeric color, right? Now you see how the color is changing. Now you see the color is changing into white, into yellow. You see here this color of this water is yellow. Right, here you see that the color of the water is yellow. Now we'll take hot water. Here you see we are taking hot water here. This is cold water, yellow, and this is hot water, right? Here we are taking hot water in a glass of water, that is same volume of water, right? Here we take the same volume, we are taking the same glass of same volume, having the same volume. You see here we are taking hot water. Here we have taken hot water in this glass, and if we color it with a red color, we will color this water with red color, and you see what happens to this. Now we will see what happens to this hot water and cold water, right? Here you see we have taken it and we will color this water into red color. You see here, giving red color here. Now you see this color is red and this color is yellow, and now you see what happens if we first of all we will mix this red color. This is white water, hot water, and this is cold water. This is cold water, this is hot water. Now you see what happens if we put the color of this hot water on this cold water here. Let's see what happens. Now we are putting the hot water, glass of hot water up to onto the glass of cold water. Let's see what happens. With a first of all we will take a now see that we are trying to put the red color, hot red color water on this yellow color glass and see what happens. Let us see. You see here that both the colors are not mixing with one another. This is red in color and this is yellow in color. The reason why, the reason is that the red color of water is hot and the molecules are further apart, and that's why this is lighter than that of cold water, and the molecules of cold water is closer to one another. That's why the red color and yellow color doesn't mix with one another. This is the reason why this hot water is not mixing with yellow color of water, because this is lighter and this is heavier. This is, the cold water is more dense than that the than that of the hot water that is red in color. That's why the two colors doesn't mixes with one another. This is red in color and this is yellow in color. This is the magic of science. Right? That means the hot water is lighter than the cold water, and that's why the color doesn't mixes with one another. You see here, the hot water is above and the below is the cold water that is yellow in color, and the two color doesn't mixes with one another. That is the reason that the molecules in the hot water are further apart, that is they are lighter than the cold water, and the cold water is denser than that of the hot water. That's why the hot water and the cold water doesn't mixes with one another. That is the color, this is yellow color, this is red in color, that doesn't mix with one another. That is the reason. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Again we are explaining why it is not mixing. We have taken here a glass of water with yellow color, that is cold water, and here we have taken this a glass of water with hot water and we give red color to hot water. When we put this hot water glass on the glass of yellow color glass, the color doesn't mixes with one another. The reason for this is that this cold water, in the cold water the molecules are closer to one another, that is denser. This water is denser than that of the red color water, because in the hot water the molecules of water are far apart, and that's why the hot water is lighter than that of the cold water, and these two color doesn't mix with one another. You see here, doesn't mix with one another, and that's why the two colors doesn't mixes together, and this is the magic of science. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.